Viewers, heavy rain has lashed several parts of Delhi NCR, leaving streets waterlogged. A roof collapse at Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport resulted in 1 death and 8 injuries, with several cars enshrouded with debris. According to reports, Delhi Fire Services received a call regarding a roof collapse around 5:30 in the morning. Besides the roof, the support beam had also collapsed, damaging the car parked in the vicinity. Following this incident, all departures from Terminal 1 have been temporarily suspended. Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu took stock of the situation and assured full assistance, saying the situation is being thoroughly investigated. After taking stock of the situation, he's also met the injured at the hospital.
The investigation is on. We have ordered the investigation. We are going to bring in the experts in the industry, technical industry, and we are going to do a thorough investigation, and whoever is responsible for it, and this government is committed to take action on them. So that much is very, very clear. But in incidents like these, if they pick up these kind of incidents and try to politicize these and use it for their political game and all, I don't think it's a very good precedent to build on.
In the aftermath of the Delhi airport roof collapse, the opposition is targeting the centre, calling it proof of the collapsing infrastructure under the Modi government. The TMC and Congress are squarely blaming Prime Minister Modi, with TMC accusing him of rushing Terminal 1's inauguration for political gain, while the Congress and DMK allege corruption and negligence. AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has criticised the recent infrastructure efforts, suggesting that they were merely for optics.
जैसे मोदी साम्राज्य की हालत है, वैसे ही टर्मिनल 1 गिरा है। 10 साल से रख रखाव उनका था, उन्होंने देखा था, और उसके बाद भी ये हालत थी कि एक बारिश नहीं झेल पाई। मोदी सरकार का भी यही हाल होगा, पूरी तरह वही जिम्मेदार है।
हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रहे हैं। ये जो आदत पड़ गई है कि इलेक्शन से पहले हमें सारे रिबन काटने हैं या जल्दबाजी में काम होता है, पब्लिक सेफ्टी को दरकिनार कर कर, ये उसका एक उदाहरण है
कि G20 प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा मंडपम बनाया, अब मंडपम बनाने के बावजूद भी पानी रुका हुआ है, तो इससे अंदाजा हो सकता है कि ये जो जितने ऑप्टिक्स के लिए काम किए जाते हैं ना, इसका नतीजा ही निकलता है। आपको बुनियादी काम करने की जरूरत है।
The government is silent. They are not talking about it. But something happened to something in other states, they will shout, they will yell. Rampant corruption is happening in all the construction activities of the government of India.
And a heavy downpour has also affected several parts of Delhi. The rain has caused traffic congestion and waterlogging across the city. Commuters in many places face inconvenience due to waterlogged streets. The heavy downpour not only led to widespread waterlogging across Delhi, but the national capital's infrastructure is also taking a massive toll, from submerged roads to traffic snarls and roads caving in. The people of Delhi are facing the brunt of the rain. But politics is also raging in the national capital. Now, while AAP has alleged that the BJP has destroyed MCD with several corruption cases and further claiming that Delhi's infrastructure is not designed to handle such heavy rains, the BJP, on the other hand, has called out AAP's failure.
सबसे ज्यादा बरसात साउथ दिल्ली में हुई है। वहां पर हमने बाकी सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स जो भी सहयोग कर सकते हैं सबको लगाया हुआ है। जब बरसात बंद हुई और जब ड्रेन्स का पानी सेटल हुआ, उसके बाद दिल्ली में जो अलग अलग जगह पानी का लेवल था वो कम हुआ, क्योंकि बारापुल्ला की वॉल ब्रीच हो गई। वाटर की क्वांटिटी इतनी ज़्यादा थी उस समय, इसलिए साउथ दिल्ली के उसके आसपास के कई एरियाज़ में, मथुरा रोड में, जंगपुरा ए में, सनलाइट कॉलोनी में, वहाँ पर समस्या ज़्यादा समय रही है, लेकिन वहाँ पर भी काफ़ी संख्या में टेम्पररी
से पीछे जो जानकार कह रहे हैं कि 1936 में 235 mm जून के महीने में बारिश हुआ था। आज सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट बारिश हुआ है 228 mm 1936 के बाद जून के महीने में। तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होता है वो डिजाइन नहीं होता है इतनी ज्यादा बारिश को हैंडल करने के लिए।
जिस प्रकार से दिल्ली में पूरी अव्यवस्था छाई हुई है, आप किसी भी इलाके में चले जाओ, इस प्रकार का जल भराव आपको दिखेगा, और यही आम आदमी पार्टी की असली व्यवस्था है। विज्ञापन पर पूरा जोर है, व्यवस्था कमजोर है। आम आदमी पार्टी ने जो भी दावे किए थे वो खोखले निकले। जो 22 मेजर नाले हैं जिसका पानी यमुना जी में जाता है, उसमें केवल 50% की डिसिल्टिंग हुई है। उसके अलावा एमसीडी जो आज आम आदमी पार्टी के पास है, 713 नालों में से लगभग 250 नालों में ही क्लीनिंग हुई है। पीडब्ल्यूडी विभाग जिसके पास सबसे अधिक इलाका है डीसिल्टिंग करने का, उसमें भी दावे बड़े बड़े हैं, पर असलियत ये है।
All right, let's take this across to our guest. Joining us with us is Tom Vadakan, BJP's national spokesperson. With us also is Deshratan Nigam, lawyer. Ravi Srivastava joins us on the panel. He's a political analyst, as does Parvinder Singh Sethi, political analyst. Let me start with you first. Ravi Srivastava, I'm going to read out a tweet of the Delhi LG, and he says that it's shocking that the flood control order and desilting of drains that should have been issued and completed by 15/6/24 are yet pending. The flood control order, normally issued after the Apex Committee meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister, is pending with the Honorable Minister. Very clearly saying that this desilting activity, had it happened, would not have led to this kind of deluge in Delhi. Your response, Ravi Srivastava.
Good evening, Madhav. I think the LG's statement is very much on the expected lines because he is only a BJP's spokesperson, constitutional chair. So nothing new in it. But the fact is that whosoever is responsible, whether the AAP person or the MCD or the PWD, whosoever is responsible, must be brought to book and the action should be taken, responsibility should be fixed. But at the same time, everything is being shown here, but nothing is shown about the tunnel which is waterlogged, the area under control of NDMC, that Pragati Maidan, that Mandapam. Those things are not being shown here. I don't know why a selective visuals are only being shown. Madhav, the fact remains is the whole country is leaking today. Whether it is 5 bridges in Araria,
No.
highway,
I'm sorry.
Ram Mandir, whether
I'm
it is
sorry.
Ragpath, whether
I'm
it is
sorry,
Ayodhya
sir.
City, whether it is
Ravi Srivastava, that is the most pathetic excuse that any political party can give. And I'm sorry, you're accusing the LG of sounding like a spokesperson. Ravi Srivastava, today, I don't know why, but today you sound like a complete apologist, because this is not what the citizens of Delhi deserve. And I can tell you that citizens are outraged looking at those scenes of year after year the city getting deluged. This is a very, very weak excuse that बारिश हर जगह हो रही है, अयोध्या में भी हो रही है, बॉम्बे में भी हो रही है. So what? Why is the Delhi government not prepared is what Delhi citizens are asking you, Ravi Srivastava.
88 years. It is unusual. It is unprecedented. The infrastructure is not designed to handle it.
So design better infrastructure. What has AAP government been doing for 10 years, sir, if you can't design better infrastructure for the city?
Government is doing all.
What have they done?
Required.
You tell me the infrastructure AAP government has put in place.
The Delhiites.
Ravi Srivastava, tell us what our government has done.
They are doing it. At the moment they are doing it.
What have they done? Tell us.
They are doing it. They are
What?
desilting the...
No, they have not done enough work. They have not done desilting. They have not brought in new infrastructure to handle these kind of rains, sir.
Under their command, they are doing it.
Let me tell you, Ravi Srivastava, I don't know if you were in Delhi in the 2012 when the Commonwealth Games were happening. Before that also Delhi had a deluge. There have been several deluges before that. Every year, this is a very weak excuse that we hear that the infrastructure is not prepared.
They are doing.
If the powers that be don't prepare better infrastructure, what will the citizens do, sir? I'm sorry.
Going to question.
No, two wrongs don't make a right. Citizens have had enough. Citizens have had enough of netas coming up with weak excuses. I'm sorry. This is not acceptable today. People are dying under canopies that are falling. This is not acceptable, Ravi Srivastava. I'm sorry you're being an apologist today. You're not listening to the citizens' pain. You're not listening to those people who spent hours and hours in traffic jams and in roads that have been completely waterlogged, Ravi Srivastava. I'm sorry.
Working on the ground, but
This is not acceptable. This is not acceptable, Ravi Srivastava. You should apologize to the people. Nobody cares about NDMC or MCD, sir. Nobody cares about NDMC or MCD. Citizens are suffering. Why don't you understand that?
Talk about the government as well.
No, of course, we will talk about every government, but you talk for your government first.
What about them?
You talk about your government first. What has your government done? You tell us. What has your government done, Ravi Srivastava? You have no answer. Desilting has not happened. New infrastructure has not happened. Nothing has been done by your government. Say that on camera.
You are selecting.
Say that on camera.
Biased.
No one is biased. We are demanding answers from you.
You are biased.
I am telling you that your government has not done enough work for the people of Delhi.
This is incorrect.
No, this is not incorrect. And I will tell Tom Vadakan also. Tom Vadakan, what have you done in the NDMC areas? What has the BJP done? Tell us. People are drowning. People are stuck in traffic jams. And there is nothing that the NDMC area
you are
also that
doing
the
a great
central
job,
government has
Mr.
done. One
Chair.
second, Ramesh Srivastava. You were given a chance. You have not been able to answer for your government. Tom Vadakan, what will you tell the citizens? What is your explanation for this? Why are citizens suffering?
Well, it's a sad situation for the citizens of Delhi. The rain started around 4:30. It was heavy rain, and the desilting in NDMC areas is work in progress. It's happening, but the worst scenario has happened in Luton's Delhi, where you can see cars almost floating, and the kind of situation. And Mr. Ravi has already admitted that anybody responsible should be punished. Thank you. You've come a long way. I thank you for that. Now, as to the question of infrastructure, I mean, these are questions you need to address the Aam Aadmi Party, the Atishis of the world. She was, on fast, very fake kind of a fast. For water in Delhi. Now, the God Almighty has given her enough of water, but the desilting operation has not been done. They have been on demonstration. They are fighting for Kejriwal.
Tom Vadakan, Atishi's struggle for water, the BJP government also has come under question. It's not like the courts are not looking at the role of the neighboring states either. My question to you is this, that year after year, fine, the Kejriwal government has been completely caught unawares. Maybe there is a governance issue there as well with the chief minister behind bars. But what is the central government doing? You also know that there is rains expected this time of the year. Why, at least in the areas where the central government has control, could this not have happened?
I agree that should not have happened, but then this is work in progress. They were doing, the monsoons were not expected so fast, but now they are in action. You can see them in Indians. Yes,
desilting happened?
Desilting has been happening. It's not that it's reached everywhere, but then it's been happening. It's a work in progress. You can send your reporters and find out how much of desilting has been done.
No, Tom Vadakan,
this is a reality.
I will tell you this. I will only say this much, Tom Vadakan. Our political parties are cutting a very sorry figure in front of our Aam Aadmi. The Aam Aadmi Party, which claims to work for the Aam Aadmi, or whether it's the BJP, or whether it's Congress governments, wherever they may be. This kind of deluge, we've seen this in Bengaluru, we've seen this in Ayodhya, we're seeing this in the national capital. It happens year after year in Mumbai, but nothing changes. Parvinder Singh Sethi, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. नेताओं को, बाबुओं को, और दिल्ली में तो हालत और खराब इसलिए कि एक आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर जेल में है, तो मीटिंग्स नहीं हो सकती. एलजी कहते हैं एक दूसरे को ब्लेम गेम करते रहते हैं हर चीज पर, लेकिन जनता सफर करती रहती है इस तरह.
नहीं, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जनता सफर करती है, और मैं इस बात को मानता हूं कि जो जितना काम होना चाहिए था वो पर्याप्त नहीं था. इससे पहले एमसीडी जो थी वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास थी, उन्होंने कोई काम नहीं करा. उसके बाद जो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है, वो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम, बिकॉज दिल्ली इज नॉट ए प्लांट सिटी, और ड्रेनेज सिस्टम को उसको डेवलप किया जा रहा है. आप जितनी भी तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हैं, ज्यादातर तस्वीरें अंडर ब्रिज की हैं. अंडर ब्रिज के अंदर पानी बहुत ज्यादा भर जाता है और उसको निकलने में समय लगता है. आप देखेंगे कनॉट प्लेस के एरिया में या दूसरे एरिया में जहां पानी तो बारिश की वजह से पड़ा है, क्योंकि देर वॉज ए हैवी रेन, लेकिन
पिछले एक साल से एमसीडी कौन से पार्टी के कंट्रोल में? एक सेकंड, परविंदर सिंह सेठी, पिछले एक साल से एमसीडी किस पार्टी के कंट्रोल में?
सर,
बीजेपी के कंट्रोल में, कांग्रेस के कंट्रोल में,
और उसके अंदर काम हो रहा है, और उस
किस स्पीड पे काम हो रहा है सर? आप तो बदलाव लाने वाले थे.
काम होना
मान लेते बीजेपी बहुत करप्ट है, कांग्रेस भी बहुत करप्ट है, आम आदमी पार्टी तो ईमानदार पार्टी है, आप क्यों नहीं फर्क ला पाए?
सर, एक ड्रेनेज सिस्टम पूरी दिल्ली स्टेट के अंदर करने के लिए समय लगता है. उसके ऊपर बहुत सारा काम हो रहा है, चाहे नालों की बात हो, चाहे
कहां काम हुआ है सर,
की बात हो, चाहे ड्रेनेज सिस्टम की बात हो. उसके अंदर
सर एक मोहल्ले का नाम बता दीजिए जहां काम हुआ है. एक मोहल्ले का नाम बता दीजिए काम हुआ है.
सर, पूरे आप जितने भी नाले हैं, चाहे
जितने नाले नहीं, एक जगह का नाम बताइए. मेरे को जितने भी नाले नहीं चाहिए,
सिस्टम है,
मेरे को जितने भी नाले नहीं चाहिए. कहां पे काम हुआ है आप बताइए. एक साल में कहां काम किया आपने?
आपको बता रहा हूं, नजफगढ़ साइज के अंदर सर बहुत सारा काम हो रहा है. मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, नजफगढ़ के वहां पे जितने भी ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है, वहां पे जो पाइपलाइंस का पूरा काम हुआ है, और वो हो रहा है सारी जगह पे.
देशरतन निगम, नजफगढ़ में पाइप्स बदली जा रही है,
पूरी दिल्ली के अंदर
नजफगढ़ में पाइप्स बदली जा रही है. एक साल में काम हुआ है. इज दिस इनफ टू टैकल दिल्लीज प्रॉब्लम?
Well, Madhav, if you look at the last 10 years of record, you will clearly find that flooding and clogging of the drains and the consequent breakdown of civic amenities in Delhi is a perennial problem. It's not an isolated problem. And Delhi High Court came very heavily in April 2023 on the Aam Aadmi Party government. There are strictures passed against Delhi Aam Aadmi Party government where they have said there is an administrative chaos happening in Aam Aadmi Party government, and this is not because of the arrest of Kejriwal, because it happened subsequently. So there are agencies like PWD which handle about 80% of the drains. They have not been declogged, and that is why we see this problem. Last year, if you recall, the entire
end of the day,
and
it doesn't
ISBT.
matter if it's PWD, MCD, NDMC, Jal Board, Water Board, what have you. Frankly, the people could not care less. All we want is roads where people can go to work, send their children to school in peace. Unfortunately, Delhiites perhaps don't even deserve that, is what the netas and the babus of the city feel, because this is the pathetic state of affairs, ladies and gentlemen, in your national capital, where even anyone traveling to the airport, today a driver lost his life because the canopy crashed and fell on his head on top of his car. That's the state of affairs in the national capital. Just think about it.